Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a full bun on fine or thin hair. To start, I'll add some texture powder to the crown. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then I'm going to take thin slices of hair and gently tease the bottom few inches just to give the top a little bit more volume. Then flip these back over and smooth it out with your comb. And I'm going to add some wax spray all over the hair and pop this into a low ponytail. Next, using my fingers, I'm going to pinch and pull at the hair across the top of the head to give more volume and texture. Then I've cut up a piece of hair donut and I'm just going to wrap this around the base of the ponytail. And I've done this twice. And then I'm just going to secure it on both sides with a bobby pin. Now with the ponytail, I'm just going to do a simple 3-strand braid and tie it off with a clear elastic band, and then I'm going to add some dry texture spray. Again, I'll list this below. Then using your fingers, we want to pinch and pull each stitch of that braid as much as we can to create as much fullness as possible. And then taking the end, I'm going to tuck it behind that padding, so just tuck it in with your fingers and then stretch out each of those loops over the bun padding, pinning as you go. So press it down at the sides and pin, and then if there's any gaps you can stretch out the hair a little bit more to cover that padding. Carry on pinching and pulling the hair until you can't see the padding anymore and securing it with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.